Hello everyone! We got a
Dog.
woo! You want to meet Mochi? And right now she's sad with us because we took her yesterday to get some shots. And her face was like, huh. Anyways, we want to share this video with you. It's been 4 weeks now since we got our dog. Her name is Mochi. Yes. Can you explain what Mochi means or why we got it Mochi?
It's a snack.
Because she's a snack. Ah! She's about 2 months old, 3 months old, 2-3 months old. And what type of dog is she?
They said like Chihuahua Terrier mix.
Yeah, they said she's some part Chihuahua, some part maybe Jack Russell Terrier, and then another type of dog, but I can't remember what that was. Yeah, we wanted to show you Mochi and go through our last 4 weeks with Mochi. You don't want to go play in the grass? Yeah, go.
That's why we got a girl, not a guy.
Pinky. Emma, say hi.
You hurt the dog. Holy moly, smokes. No me gusta. Ahorita pegué, I'm sorry. Ay, en la nariz, ay, perdón, sí.
Ay, Tangelo, ya te agarraron nuevo sister.
Ay, me
Good thing we got a girl and not a guy. Because Tangelo would fight the guy. You like your baby, Tangy? Isn't the baby cute?
I think Caleb feels betrayed. It's like I was the baby. Hello.
I love you.
I see the hair in the nose. That feels so bad. You should act like
Lucy, Lily. Lily. We don't know her name yet. Ahí va Tangelo. Let it be.
Okay, but if he scratches her, that's his fault.
I can't wait until you're old enough so we can walk you. I think keeping her in her harness is gonna help her get used to being walked.
You should have done with her. Yeah.
But they're no
It
longer.
just drops and literally lets you drag her. Is it her? It falls out of her.
Ya viene la otra. Acá atrás.
Come porque te empachates.
Pues según la Emma, porque no puede comer plantas. Kayla. ¿Qué pasó, gordis? ¿Qué haces? Y ahí va. She taunts him. Y se lambe la boca, bien rico.
Stop. That's disgusting.
Is it good, Mochi? Look, y'all, this is what Mochi was eating.
If you throw up, it's not my fault. I don't want you on my bed. No whining. Stop whining.
She made you sad?
No. 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 I don't want you on my bed. Go to your bed.
This is your bed.
My bed's over there.
Yeah, but who does she sleep with at night?
No, get away from me. I don't want you right Did you pee in your bed? Again? Oh my god, look, you wet everything.
She did?
There's paw prints are everywhere.
Because she keeps peeing everywhere. So how do you feel,
Now,
Mochi?
okay. She's annoying sometimes, but she's okay.
She's okay? Is she everything you thought a dog would be?
Well, she's not the first experience. But it depends on their size. She alright.
That way? On the book library that we went?
She likes to bite a lot. She left me red.
I know, she was biting me in the morning. It hurt. It's feeding time. Here's one baby. Here's another baby. And here is the third baby right here. She's on guard. Well, they're all on guard from each other. You saw the dog came over here to check out what she's doing. They're all on guard and eating on high ground. Huh, babies? You're eating on high ground? All right. Hello, everyone. It is January 4th, which means it's been about almost a week since we got our new dog, and the dog has left everything messy and dirty, and it all smells like dog. So I'm gonna do a cleaning / rearranging the room so that we can get rid of this dog smell, because and I'm banning the dog to somewhere else in the house, not here. But without further ado, let's go ahead and do some cleaning. All right, so I've got the floors done. I moved everything, cleaned everything under, and it still smells like dog. I have this little corner here to do, and I saved the nastiest room for last because this has become the dog's bathroom. Look at that. Look how disgusting the dog has made it in here. It's just, oh, you guys can't smell it, but it smells so disgusting in here. It's like, oh. And so I'm gonna start by getting some airflow going. All right, so I finished doing a quick clean to the bathroom. It still smells bad, but not as bad as it did before. I think I just like it to smell like bleach or like something strong that's not the dog. Though I am doing this during my break at work, I can't actually deep clean the bathroom. So I'm gonna have to wait until my day off to do that. But it looks and smells so much better than it did before. And of course I'm leaving things so that it airs out. But yeah, do not get a dog until you have done the research on how to train them and are prepared to deal with the smell, with the cleaning up after them, training them how to, you know, go to the bathroom, because it's not fun.
I need my shoe back.
Last time we filmed a video like this, we had gotten 2 cats. So how was that experience compared to this experience?
I guess the same. I don't know.
The same? And how many pets do we have now, Emma?
5.
We have 5 pets. And what are those pets?
2 red ear slider turtles and 2 cats and a dog.
And I want to have 10 pets by the end of the year.
Chickens.
Chickens! So we can have little pollitos running around. The dog was free, but her first vet visit was $250, I think.
Yes.
And she still has a lot of other shots that she needs to get. So we'll see what the final cost there is, plus the cost of food. We have only bought one thing of food for the dog right now, and it was like, what, $20? And it's still not out. Have we purchased anything else? Oh, we had to purchase like a shampoo for the dog because she was very smelly.
Towel.
A towel for the dog.
Well, we already had a harness for the cat, so
Yeah.
we used it on her instead because they don't make noise.
Teddy, what does Teddy do when we put the harness on him?
He throws himself on the floor and you just drag him.
Because he pretends that he doesn't know how to walk anymore.
And then Kayla, she was too small for it, so it'd fall off of her.
Yeah, she just walked out of the harness. But Mochi gets to use the harness, huh?
Mhm.
So we didn't have to spend on that. We already had poop bags from,
the cats, and then we bought her the potty training pads.
yeah, we bought her the potty training pads. She uses them sometimes.
Well, I put them where she usually goes to the bathroom a lot.
Yeah, but I think if it was like, oh, we decided to do like the bathroom here and you have to go there, I think we haven't been successful there yet. But putting them where she wants to naturally go has helped a lot more than, yeah.
We got her cage.
Ooh, yes, we got her a cage at the swap meet. We were gonna we went to Walmart, but my mom didn't decide on one, and so we decided to go to PetSmart on a different day. But right as we were driving to PetSmart, we decided to stop by the Swami because it was on a weekend, and she was like, oh, let's go get some fruta and some things.
Yeah.
And so we stopped, and guess what? At the Swami, this guy was selling 2 cages. One was huge, and then the other one we thought was the perfect size for Mochi, huh? And mom bargained and got it for $15. So that was good. Is she needy? Clingy?
Oh, she's very clingy.
She's very clingy.
Yeah, right now.
Oh yeah, let's see. Can you see? Mochi. Okay, so she's very calm right now. You'll see in the videos that she's not calm at all. But yeah, compared to having cats, I would say that Mochi is so much more needy. She wants to sleep with you and she wants to cuddle with you, while the cats, they'll hug you and let you pet them, but they won't let you like hug them and try to sleep with them. They'll just be like, excuse me, leave me alone, mom. While Mochi's like, mommy, I want to go do everything you do, huh?
She only likes me and Paul.
Yeah, my mom and my brother both tried to take her on a walk, and she like was stopping and resisting both of them.
Mom
Maybe
had to drag her.
Yeah, and then she like let her come back in, and she like ran.
Mhm.
And same with my brother. So maybe she's just not used to them yet because they're always working, and so it's just me and Emma that are with her. I thought she would do the same to me when it was my turn to walk her without Emma, but no, she went and she walked and she ran. She loves to run. Towards the end, I think because she smells the house and she's like, time to go back in.
But no, it's a lie.
Yeah. Anything else you want to share with folks?
I guess like when getting a dog, like you should like, I don't know, like first think about it when you get a dog. That's what I'm gonna say. Cause we had a dog and
We got a dog for a day.
2 days. He did not get along with the cats because he is big dog, but it was puppy, big dog.
He was a puppy, but he was a German Shepherd Husky mix, so he was big.
And so the cats didn't like him. But, I mean, Mochi's crazy with them too because she just wants to play all the time. But
it's easier trying to get both of them to bond.
yeah,
than it
because
was.
Tinge doesn't attack her because she's small.
Mm-hmm.
And both of the parents are small dogs.
Mhm.
So, yeah.
Yeah. But you heard it from Emma. Think about it if you want to get a dog. Think about it before you do, because there's a lot of responsibilities that comes with getting a dog.
Yeah. I say for me though, because like I'm the one taking care of the pets because I want them. So I do what I have to do, clean up their poop, or well, not the cats, they just bury their poop in the dirt. Yeah. Or clean up her pee if she pees in the house, which is from time to time.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah.
With the cat, like, we tried to take them showers, but they didn't like us, and so they clean it themselves. They're pretty neat at like taking care of
But
themselves.
sometimes you have to shower them because they like stink.
Yeah, but my point is, like, cats are very easy, like, to take care of. They're very independent and they don't need a lot from you. But like the dog, we have to shower the dog. We have to be more
Gotta take them on walks.
yeah.
Gotta make sure they go outside and use the bathroom.
Mm-hmm. And the cats, they know to go out the window, or you know, when they have to go, they know to not go inside the house. They don't need you to take them on walks because they just like run away and then come back at 5 a.m. in the morning. But with the dog, she's very dependent. She can't. She's not an independent cat. She's a dependent dog. Huh. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoy our first month with our new puppy, Mochi. And see you next time. Bye.
Bye.